Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda NC700X. This is the one with the DCT automatic transmission. Just push the button and give it the throttle and go. It's also got a lot of really nice accessories, including a MadStat adjustable windscreen, hand guards, heated electric grips. It's got the unique storage compartment, unique to the NC700. Put your full-size helmet in there. Automatic. It's got the GV twin locking removable side cases. Rear rack. Only 2,750 miles on this gorgeous automatic transmission NC700X. Twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Make your sport touring or commuter dreams come true for just $79.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. One more feature, it's got the low seat concepts saddle, so it's a little lower than standard. ABS brakes. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.